guys, and welcome back to another video. If you guys haven't hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button right now. But if you guys haven't seen my other videos, you guys haven't seen the new wheels on the Subie. Look at this. Yo, ever since it's been washed, it's been looking clean. I mean, I didn't do no extensive cleaning on the Subie. You know, it's still looking clean. I'm literally starting the intro in the middle of nowhere. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you guys get me to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away those wheels that were on my Subie. Don't worry, I'm gonna be cleaning them up and I'm gonna get them all fresh and new for you guys, so that's a good thing. But today we're gonna have a special guest. It's one of my homies. He has a clean BRZ, so we're gonna go check it out right now. He's over there at the car wash. I'm gonna head down to the car wash and I'll meet up with him right now. Yo, it's hella funny. I'm like in the middle of a street and there's like hella like cars coming and they're all looking at me. They're like, what is this weirdo doing, just pointing that camera in his face? Yo, it's so hard to hold this camera and record at the same time, bro. I'll be wilding. Oh no, we're still cold. We can't be doing that for sure. Bro, I told the homie Evan to be here for 15 minutes. I'm the first one here. I mean, come on, Evan, you have to help me out. Just like, now I told him I was leaving like 10 minutes ago, but he's still not here. Let me show you guys the Subie. Bro, this is so nice. Fuck, that is. Oh my god, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I love this car, bro. I love this car so much. It's crazy. Jeez, yo. There you go. That's right. You better park backwards. That's actually pretty fucking clean, bro. This is dope. Look at that. Hey, the guy that I was waiting for, finally, bro. Hey, this is the homie Evan. Yeah. So, bro, what's up, dude? How you doing? I'm doing pretty good, dude. This wheels look sick. Thanks, bro. Hey, action, huh? Yeah, but this is the BRZ I was talking. It's a BRZ, right? Yeah. Cause the 86 and the freaking, what is it, 86? Yeah, the FRS. Yeah, and the FRS. But before we get into detail with the BRZ, do you want to go somewhere else? Yeah, you trying to head to the airport? That's what I was about to say. Bro, that is literally my go-to location. Always, hey, do you watch the video? Sometimes you watch the video. I always go to the airport. That's like nobody's there and I'm like, all right. So, before we get into detail with the BRZ, let's head up to the airport. Yeah, I'll follow you. All right. Bro, that sound, oh my god. Dude, I'm so in love with that Subie sound. I think he has, I don't know what kind of headers he has. I'm pretty sure he has Nico length headers. And those are the sexiest sound ever. But I wish I had a BRZ low-key. Yo, since today, it's not about my car today. My car, it's in its own island today. But, dude, let me tell you, since I was in the back, you know, and I was hearing it, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro, that shit sounds sexy as fuck. Does it? Yeah. It used to be hella loud. I know. I know, but dude, that is a nice ass fucking. Dude, I love the sound. The sound of it? Hell yeah, that just sounds nice, bro. Hey, but since the last time you seen my Subie, When was the last time you seen it?
I think. Shit, I don't.
It's been a while, huh?
No, you didn't have the side skirts on.
Yeah.
I think you had just put the wing on.
Yeah, bro.
It's been a fat.
I know. I still got plans for the Subie, but you know, there's I'm gonna do them in the future. But today's video is about this BRZ right here, bro. Let me tell you, when the exhaust, it's like the SUBIERUMBLE, huh?
Yeah.
It got that. Yes.
So got that SUBIERUMBLE.
Look, but the thing is, I think Evan copied me with these, but no, he actually had them first. But I actually had an idea that you had them. I think I knew that you had these, but you know what?
Yeah.
These are some
they
nice.
Just look too good.
Yeah, these are some nice wheels, especially on the white.
Yeah.
But what year is this?
This is 2015.
2015.
Series Blue.
All right, Series Blue.
It's got the STI body kit. It's got the rear spats, side
Yes.
skirts, front lip.
Damn.
Front lip's knockoff though. It's not a real.
Let me
one.
see the front lid, bro.
It's a fake one. I've gone through 3 of them.
Hey, this is.
Because I'm not living luxury like you.
I know, huh?
So.
The thing I like about this car, though, the thing I like about this car, it's clean and simple. You know, it's not cop magnet. Is it a cop magnet?
Unless it's loud, yeah.
Yeah. Did you have a pop tune on it?
Yeah, when I was straight.
No, I remember him having a pop tune. I think it was even louder. What made you change it to regular tune?
So I had gotten pulled over twice for it, and I got state ref once.
Yeah.
And then
you got state ref too?
Yeah, I got state
no way.
So I got state ref when I was backfiring down the road and they pulled me over. I was doing 16 and 35.
Yeah.
Backfiring right in front of the cop. I ran through a light and started backfiring, and they just pulled me over, lit me up. It was like 2 a.m.
Did he see him though?
No, I didn't.
No.
My radar didn't go off.
Oh,
Nothing
that's what I hate about the radars though. They don't go off. They don't have the freaking radar on, obviously.
Yeah, no, they never have it.
Yeah.
But
damn. Hey, you're static, right?
Yeah, I'm on 10 plug speeds.
Oh.
So.
How low are you, bro?
I think I have an inch more control.
Damn. Look at this. Bro, I think this is how mine is when I'm dropped. Well, mine is tucking, but still.
My front one's a little bit. It could be better.
Yeah.
That's the point.
These taillights, are they wrapped or they aftermarket?
No. So these are just the Valenti smoked.
Okay.
And then for my exhaust, I just got the muffler delete. I got Tomei headers, Tomei overpipe, and then I got just a resonated front pipe.
No.
And then
let me tell you, this sound, bro. I got wet as fuck when I heard that, bro.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, dude, it sounds so. Have you never heard your car like?
No, I've never.
No one has driven your car. No. Bro, actually, you know, for this video, I literally never. No, I literally never let anybody drive my car.
Are you for real?
Would you be down to drive my car?
I'm down.
Yeah. Stock Subies make. I want to say they make 278.
So my guess is like 230.
Yeah, probably.
230, 240. That's my best guess.
I mean, to be honest, in the car community, people are like, "Oh, you didn't make this much horsepower." But at the end of the day, bro, if you're not taking your car to the track, who cares how much horsepower you're pushing?
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I'm the type of guy to like have a. I like speed. I mean, my car's not fast. It's only doing. I like to exaggerate when I.
Don't get me wrong. I like speed too. But
yeah. Oh no, dude.
This is funded by McDonald's.
Dude, hey, it doesn't matter. But I love this car because the sound and it's just plain and simple. You know, it's nice and simple. I want to see this engine, bro. These are nice too. Look at this.
Now what they don't know is the fat turbo that's working.
Oh, is that the turbo, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Is that the turbo?
It's factory with every BRZ.
Oh, I've actually never seen. Well, I have in the car meets like the boxer engine.
Yeah.
But hey, I like that.
Yeah. It's hot.
Oh yeah, for sure, bro. I like this car right here. What is that though?
Oh, this is the cold air intake. Yeah,
it's right there?
Yeah, it's behind the front bumper.
Whoa, I didn't know.
And then you can see my headers right there.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's see the interior, bro.
The other one's got a big interior. So.
Oh shit, I didn't know that.
The seats are all blue.
Damn, bro. It's clean. I didn't know it came with blue seats.
We got the center console full of straw wrappers.
Hey bro, I like the shift knob though. Is it real carbon fiber?
Yeah, that's real.
It
carbon.
is, huh?
That's not though. That comes with the car.
Yeah.
But
that's how mine is too.
oh really?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I was been looking at BRZs, but the thing that just holds me back. What do you think holds me back from getting a BRZ?
Power.
Yeah.
Power you need to spend $1,000.
Oh yeah.
That's the thing.
Literally, what people do with BRZs or the FRS or the 86, what they do, usually supercharge it. That's what I've been seeing a lot.
Yeah, you need to buy the cheapest FRS.
That's what I'm saying.
Put 10,000 into it.
I mean, even with that, I've seen some YouTubers that supercharge the cars, but they're only making 300 or 310 horsepower.
Yeah.
I mean,
and if you want to go fast, you need to build the internals, and it's still going to be slow.
What size engine is it?
That's a 2-liter.
2 liter?
Yeah.
So it's like my baby. Well, there's a 2.0.
Like your baby, but
yeah. Dude, no, I love this, bro. Hey, can we hear the exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh. No, do that again, bro. That shit sounds great. Oh. Bro. I love that sound. It's crazy. Right, that is like probably the sexiest sound a 4-banger can have, bro. Like, I'm not a fan of muscle cars. Like, I know I should be, but I'm not. I'm a JDM type of guy. But that Subie sound, yeah, it's way too nice. I've never been in a coupe before. I've never been in a coupe. I'm gonna put the key in my key right there. I haven't been in a coupe. I'm actually excited to drive this. I mean, I'm only gonna drive it around here. Let's see, let's see if I fit. But I mean, I'm gonna fit for sure. Dude, just sitting here is crazy, bro. Is it the same thing as the Subie?
Yeah, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then pull this up.
Yeah,
push it to the left.
Reverse.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm getting like used to the feel of it. Oh, this is crazy. I've never seen this. That looks different to mine. Way different.
Yeah, no, it's a little old. It looks a little older.
Yeah,
I'm gonna update it.
This sound, bro. I'm gonna get one. Let's see this. Each clutch is different.
Yeah.
Oh, that's. You guys hear that? That sounds so nice, bro. Oh my, I'm gonna have to go for another round.
Yeah. Go and do a second gear pull.
I should have gone the other way, like.
Yeah, just swing around right here.
It's rear wheel drive, huh?
Yeah, rear wheel drive.
You're shooting this, bro. Have you ever done that?
Yeah, a little bit. It rubs a little.
It rubs? You said second gear?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in a higher RPM.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm sorry, but this car is nice, bro. Let me tell you guys, this is the first time I ever driven someone else's stick car, and I thought I was gonna be worse at driving another person's car, but this car, I love the sound of it. Hopefully there was some good footage right there. Hey, I wanted to start a series of reviewing other people's cars, and this first one, I'm actually enjoying the heck out of it, bro. Hey, are you ready to drive?
Yeah, I'm ready.
My car. You never have pressed the back button? Alright, I'll let you know on what type of level you would have to go down this. I'm gonna let you reverse it for me, bro.
Alright.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, so keep in mind, this is 403 horsepower.
403?
Yeah.
Okay, so double mine.
Yeah, this is, double what this is. Alright. 387.
Yeah, double.
You excited, bro?
Yeah, dude,
there you go.
Yo, what?
Oh,
That's crazy.
yeah. You ready, bro?
Yeah, I don't like that noise though.
I know, it scares everyone, trust me, whenever they're in the back. What is that?
Is this shift not wrong? Let's say reverse right there, but it's actually over here.
No, it's the same way as yours.
Oh, it's the same way as mine?
Yeah.
Over here?
No. Oh, yours is over there?
Yeah, mine's over here.
Mine's over here.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. No, you're good then. No, you see?
Oh, shit.
Ooh, you got the camera too.
This thing's nice.
Yep. How's the clutch?
Your clutch is a little different.
Yeah.
I like it more though. Not gonna lie. Oh, no, my hands are a little sweaty.
Hey, bro, you're good. You're good.
Oh man, that turbo. Oh, what the fuck?
Hit it.
Oh, fuck. I just came a little bit. This is the fastest car I've ever driven.
Bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm honored, bro. I'm honored. Nah, I mean, I'll be beating scat packs, bro, trust me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, pause,
That shit's fucking.
Yeah. Nah, this is the best thing about modifying your car, when you see like your friends enjoying your own car, bro.
You said I'm the first person to drive your car?
Yeah.
No.
Well, I taught my girlfriend's little brother in this, but he didn't know how to drive stick. So.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
I feel like that's different.
Yeah, that's way different.
Oh man.
Yeah.
We need to do some pulls again.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I'm low-key speechless.
It's quick.
I'm blocked by this car though.
I know. No, I when I first got my car, I literally Evan was in the passenger seat. Remember that?
Yeah.
We were taking pictures.
Yeah.
He was in the car with me, but I never actually let him drive it. But he's officially driving my car, and I'm like, okay. It feels kind of different being in the passenger seat. I have my own car. No, low key, this guy has. Look what he has, bro. Look what he has on. I don't know how he's driving with these cars. It's just a crazy thing. But I'm not gonna lie, both these cars, JDM, I'm in love with JDM. Both of these cars are like nice. But a huge shout out to Evan.
Thanks for letting me drive the whip.
Yeah, bro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I mean, I got enough content to make a freaking begging ass video. And thank you guys for everything. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you guys want those wheels, get me to 500 subscribers. And I mean, anybody can have them. Evan, you can have them too, bro. As a spare, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget, if you guys want those wheels, go hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next video.